Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my presentation about a new app design which is called Ikea Simulation. During this presentation I will provide you with an introduction, some information about the app design itself, how this app will generate revenue, and of course the conclusion and why you should invest in this application. Now, the app is a 3D simulation app for Ikea. It provides a catalog and it's for the UK only. Now some general information about the app and what it is. At first, the app provides the catalog of 2012 UK, and it's an interactive catalog. One can search the catalog categories, products itself, product codes. One can choose the pages. They can share by Facebook, Twitter, or email. So it's pretty interactive. Now, the simulation itself, how does it work? Basically, one does enter the details of the room, the height, the length, the width, and the surface. If he or she wishes to provide this information, the app creates a realistic room in 3D, of course. But if he or she does not want to provide information, there's a default room for which they can use. So after the room is simulated in 3D, one can choose the IKEA products within the app and drag this around the room and to see how it fits. How does it realistically fit in the room? One can also change the color of the floor, the walls, to make it more realistic of their own room. The simulation provides nearly all IKEA products in the UK. They are all in 3D. You can rotate the products, you can drag them around, you can see if it fits in the corner, you can see if it fits in the left. You can put another table near it and see how they fit together. So it's pretty original and it's also realistic. Why? Because IKEA does have this software for their employees, but yet not for customers. I know this from own knowledge. So that's the app. Now I will show you the design of the app. At first, the picture on the left, this is the logo. This is how the app starts. What you see is IKEA Simulator. You know what you deal with. After this, you see the UK catalog and you have two choices. Whether you could go directly to the simulator or you could choose to go to the catalog. Let's say that you choose the catalog from this menu. This is what you will see from left to right. From left, you see in the top corner you see the home button to return if you wish to return to the choice menu. On the bottom you see a search icon. With this search icon you can search for categories, products, or the codes. This will directly skip all the pages and lead you to the product you want. In the middle you see the 1 out of 384. This means this is the first page of the 384 pages. If you tap on that, you will see the second picture on the PowerPoint presentation. Here you can choose your own chapters or the pages. You put down the pages, tap to go to page, and this will directly lead you to the page. And the first picture again, on the left bottom corner you see the networks icon. This will, when you tap this, you will see the third picture, where you see email, Facebook, and Twitter. This means you can share the chapters or the pages. The app design. This is the simulator. It asks you to choose to enter the details of the room or choose a default room, as I explained before. When you have entered or pressed default room, you have to press on simulate. After you press on simulate, you see the picture on the right where you can choose the icons on the left. It says slide to rotate around and zoom and pinch for zoom. This means you can have an interactive 3D simulation. On the left, the first icon is the catalog icon. The second icon is the clear icon, which will clear all products. The third icon is the painting icon, which you can change the colors. The third icon is the settings icon. The fourth is the information. If you do not know how it works, this will provide you with information. And the last icon is back to the menu icon. Let's say you press on the catalog icon. You can choose the catalog or search product. When you have chosen the product and you tap on the product will be centered into the room. As you can see, you can rotate the product and hold your finger to drag it around, or you can delete the product. Now, the painting. The floor is painted brown, as you can see, and the walls blue. When you press on the brown box next to floor, you can change the color of the floor, and same for the wall. The settings menu. You can save snapshots or email snapshots to friends. You can also save your simulation to go on with it further a day later or a week later, whatever you want. And you can load a simulation, a previous simulation. Now, that was the app design. Now the revenue. Well, there are two ways. I think doing it both ways is a perfect choice. You can either create revenue by ads, and this will show up after the logo, but you provide the app for free. So you provide the app for free, but you put in ads. So this will make money. The second thing, you can make revenue by putting a price on it. So we have two choices. You can either download the free one or the £1 one, but both will create revenue for us. And this app is also marketing itself for Ikea. Now the conclusion is, the application is customer friendly. It helps customer. It's simple. It explains enough. It is highly innovative because this is something new. Not every company has this. It is very innovative. Also, it has revenue potential and both marketing potential as well. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and I hope you will invest in this application.